Welcome back to Sticker Mountain. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can create a custom shaped die line for both vector and raster images for your sticker using Adobe Illustrator. Let's get to it. First, and this is the easiest step, open up your design in Illustrator. In this example, we're going to create a 3-inch custom shaped sticker using a vector graphic. Next, we're going to size down the artwork to 2.75 inches. To do this, select all your artwork, go up to the dimensions at the top of the screen and type 2.75 next to the W, or width. Next, we're going to center the artwork. In the Align panel, go to Align Object section and press the vertical and horizontal align buttons. Now for the fun part. Creating a die line is going to take a few steps. First, select the artwork and make sure it's all grouped together. To do this, select all your artwork, go up to Object, and press Group, or an easy shortcut is Command G. Now with your artwork still selected, go back to Object, then down to Path, then click on Offset Path. This will open a dialog box. For the offset, we are putting 0.125 inches. Joints are going to be round since it looks a little odd if you choose bevel or meter. And finally, we'll leave the meter limit to 4. Then press OK. Now we have this fun blob of shapes. Press Command X to cut this blob, but leave the original artwork behind. Then, press Command F to paste it in place, so that way you don't lose the original artwork beneath and have the new blob on top. From here, with the artwork blob selected, go to the Pathfinder window and under Shape Modes, click Unite. Now if you happen to have the issue of still seeing outlines in the blob, reselect it and click Unite again. Now we have the actual shape of the design without any extra outlines. Next, switch the fill and the stroke so you have the nice and easy die line for your custom shaped sticker. Change the stroke color to something bright like this red. And you're done! Now it's time to create a die line for a raster image. If you don't know the difference between the two, check out our video explanation here. Now we're going to set it up similar to the vector graphic. We're going to size it down to 2.75 inches and align it to the center of the artboard. However, your raster image might need some extra help when scaling. We have this neat little trick to help you size down your artwork to the size you need. To do this, we're going to create a 2.75 inch square. To make that square, select the rectangle tool on the left-hand side and click anywhere on the artboard. This will bring up a dialog box requesting the dimensions for your square. We're going to enter 2.75 for the width and height, then select OK. Now we're going to align the artwork and the square to the center of the artboard. Then size down your artwork so that the largest edges fit inside the box. Next, switch the fill and stroke so that the stroke is colored and the fill is empty. Next, select the design and press Command C to copy, then Command F to paste in place on top of the original artwork. This is so we can make changes and create the outline with this copy rather than lose the original. With the top image selected, go to Window and select Image Trace. With that window popped up, there are a few icons at the top of the panel. Select the third one, which is called Low Color, and Illustrator will work its magic. Now you have a live traced copy of your design. Next, with the copy still selected, go up to the top menu bar in Illustrator and click Expand. This makes your live traced image into a vector. Now, if your artwork also has a white background that you don't want, it's easy to remove. First, go to the Direct Selection tool, or press A, then select the square around your artwork and hit Delete. Now you have a vector version of your original raster image. Now the rest is similar to that of the vector graphic. With the copy selected, go to the Pathfinder menu and select Unite. This may look a little weird at first, but stick with me. Now go to Object, Path, select Offset Path, and use the same settings as before. With our colored blob still selected, go to Pathfinder and unite this again. Make sure that everything is selected and united, so that by the end there's one solid shape of your design. Now all that is left is to switch your fill to be your stroke, and choose a bright color for the stroke. Don't forget to delete that square. And that's it! You now have a vector and a raster image ready to be printed. Wondering what to do next? Head over to Sticker Mountain and we'll make that sticker design a reality. Want to learn how to create die lines for other shapes? Check out the video playlist here. See you next time, Yetis!